There you are now. Very good morning to you. And I suppose I just decided to take this morning's short to clear a few things up. We're back just in the workshop doing a few little bits and pieces this week to make a good start in the new year. And the question of Gretel has come up a good bit. A few people have been asking, what's the story with Gretel? Have you given up on Gretel? Are you ever going to do it more with Gretel? And the truth is, over the months since we kind of shot the videos of Gretel, the workshop's been really busy. COVID has meant ordering from the UK has been impossibly difficult. They have been themselves struggling with getting panels and materials in. The good news is 90% of the panels for Gretel are now actually available. So what we're going to do is we're going to kick off the new year properly by early doors next week, ordering a bunch of the panels to get Gretel kicked off again, and in the new year you can expect to see some regular videos in the not too distant future. So see you for that one.